क्या चला भैया?
तो क्या चल रहा भैया? Annyeonghaseyo Daud. Yeah, we arrived Eyup Sultan.
Finally, it's very historical place, right? Yeah. Oh.
The water is cold.
So cold.
वज़ू हो गया अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. Water is so cold.
So cold. So cold. So cold.
पानी बहुत ठंडा था.
This is the real thing. Wow, the hairs. The real hairs of the I'm so honored that I can see this.
Daud bro, how do you feel after coming here?
Very peaceful, and I'm so honored that I can see this kind of things. Thank you.
To be honest, thank you so much. I love you.
Thank you so much
Yeah.
to bring here. Yes.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Everywhere, माशाल्लाह, माशाल्लाह, माशाल्लाह.
There are many mosques in Korea too, but this atmosphere is so different. I can feel the long history and the
Yeah.
feelings. Many thousands, billions of people come in here and go out.
And also the companion of Holy Prophet is also here.
Yes, his tomb is
It's a
here.
blessing for us to be here.
Yes, so this place is so much blessing everywhere. So I'm so jealous of you guys. You come here every day, every time pray.
Yeah.
I'm so jealous.
Sağ ol, Allah razı olsun.
Size de Allah razı olsun. Teşekkürler.
Hadi Allah'a emanet olun.
Pakistanlılara seviyorsunuz?
Pakistan'ı çok seviyorum. Selamünaleyküm.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. अभी हम जा रहे हैं ऊपर प्यालोती के ऊपर जा रहे हैं. दाऊद भाई ने प्यालोती घूम ली थी, लेकिन ये मस्जिद नहीं थी घूमी, तो उन्हें बहुत अच्छा लगा है मस्जिद देख के. तो मुझे भी बहुत फ़ख्र है कि ये चीज़ उनसे मिस हो गई थी और हम वसीला बने उस चीज़ को घुमाने का. तो यहाँ के खाने भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. तो हमने वहाँ से सुबह नाश्ता टाइप किया था, लेकिन एकदम भद्दा, ज़रा मज़ा भी नहीं था. एंड यहाँ के खाने भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. एरिया भी अपना है, पता है कहाँ से सही चीज़ मिलती है, पता है कहाँ से गलत चीज़ मिलती है. दाऊद के लिए.
You are so talented in this kind of thing.
Thank you so much. I'm talented.
Yes,
oh,
you
thank
are,
you.
you are.
Thank you. आप 배고파?
배고파? 조금.
조금. आप 배고파? आपको भूख लगी है? 조금 थोड़ी सी लगी.
मुझे पाकिस्तान से प्यार है.
한국 사랑해.
Oh, yes.
한국 दाऊद, 한국 김전. No Kim.
Movie of Salman Khan.
Oh, Salman Khan. I know
Yeah,
Salman Khan.
Salman Khan.
The movie's name was Tere Naam.
Tere Naam.
So
So
it
it's
is
Tere Naam here.
the same here.
Pakistan, Jan, Jan, Pakistan.
You made it. You made it. You got it, bro.
Man.
I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was not a though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping the 44. I was.
Just one.
One.
Like a hook. Yeah, hook. Everyone has had a hook. Because it's very cold.
Big.
Cool.